Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're on the back of the house. We're going to be installing an exterior outlet for the security camera that we have. We're currently running extension cord from one side of the patio to the other, and to eliminate that, we're going to be installing a GFI on this wall. We're going to show you guys a step-by-step process of how we do it. So first we're going to start by drilling a hole through this wall because there's a receptacle on the other side. We're going to use power from that receptacle to this GFI. Alright, so we already found the location of the receptacle on the inside of the house by using the window for reference. We took measurements and it is higher up, but we are going to be installing the GFI down here because of on the other side of the patio, that's where it is as well. And so what we're going to be using is a DeWalt hammer drill to drill through the brick. Alright, now that we've got the hole drilled, we're going to go inside the house and open up the outlet on the inside and run a wire from in there to outside.
Alright guys, so now that we're in the house, what we're going to go ahead and do is open up this outlet so we can drill a hole through the bottom of the box and run our wire out to the outside. As you can see, we've gone ahead and we've turned the power off to the outlet. The reason that we had this hole in the wall is I initially tried running Cat5 internet wire throughout my house when I first bought it. I was not able to get into this wall because it is an exterior wall and I just could not get to the top plate to drill the hole. But I did cut the hole in the sheetrock first, so instead of fixing it, I just decided I was going to put a plate on it and never put the plate on. So you can kind of see in the back I had to run wire mold down the wall in order to get my Cat5 down this wall. But what we're going to go ahead and do is pull this outlet out, get it so I can drill a hole through the bottom of the box. Alright, so now that we have the hole drilled into the bottom of the box, we're actually lucky enough to have a hole here. So when we go outside and try to feed our wire up through the wall, hopefully we can be able to find it using this access that we have and be able to feed it up into the box. So we're going to go ahead, go outside and try to feed that wire up. Alright, so we had some trouble getting the wire up through the wall. So I was not able to get it recorded, but we ended up having to use a hard fish tape line in order to get it up into the wall. I did end up drilling through the sheetrock just to confirm that we were in the right cavity and that we were above the slab height. I was able to get it up and I did feed it over into our box, which you can see here. I did go ahead and double up on the recep terminals, which you're not supposed to do. I really should have another set of wire nuts in here and I should just have one line coming to this, but I was able to get it on, so I just chose to leave it like that. It will work fine for what we're needing it to do. Now we're gonna go ahead, we have both sides wired up, so we're gonna go ahead and put the outlet back in the hole. All right, so there we have it. We are going to go ahead and go outside now and try to make up that outlet. All right, so now that we have the wire stubbed out of the house, I did trim it to the length that we need. I do have an exterior metal box that will slip over the wire, and I will make it level, and then I will go ahead and drill my hole. I am using a DeWalt hammer drill now. So what we are using is concrete Tapcon screws. All right, so as you saw, we wired up the outlet and we did put it on and we did put the weatherproofing cover. I did flip the breaker back on, and I'm gonna go ahead and check it now. Would help if I pushed the test button. Alright guys, so as you just saw, we just installed an exterior outlet. This probably has to be the worst video we've ever made, and we've only made like 11 of these.
So we were bidding on cars on Copart because we were going to be doing a whole build series, and we were on 3 different cars we were bidding on, and we lost on every single one. So now we're doing that.
Not because we don't know how to bid on stuff, we just didn't have the money.
You people.
Someone got a horrible deal on those cars.
We upbidded on these cars. We offered way more than we should have, just so we could get a build. And people still went another $1,000 above what we bidded. So, if you like the video,
You guys are actually supposed to.
go ahead and leave a like. You gotta leave a comment on this video. Subscribe, turn that bell on so you get notified when we put more awesome content out there.
Yeah, hopefully
And,
it'll be better.
Hopefully, I mean, all we can do is continue to try. But thanks guys, and stay tuned for the next video.